Hello everyone, let's see this question, which is Arithmetic GAT 2019 question from morning slot. In a class, 60% of the students are girls and the rest are boys. There are 30 more girls than boys. If 68% of the students, including 30 boys, pass an examination, the percentage of the girls who do not pass is. This is a theta type question, which means this was not a multiple choice question. It has no options given to us, and we had to answer the question using the keyboard. We have to type in the answer, that is theta. The correct answer, as you can see, it is 20. But let us understand how we can solve this question. There can be multiple ways of solving this question. I'll discuss with you all the solution of this question. So first of all, let us understand what is the topic. This topic is this question is about percentage, and which is a very important topic for arithmetic and for data interpretation also. And if I understand the base of percentage, then it will be very easier for us to solve this question. So in a class, 60% of the students. Now, how do we identify base? There are three important keywords. One of them is off, the other one is more than, and the other one is less than. These are three important keywords to identify the base of a percentage, right? So these are very important to understand. Now, first sentence is in a class, 60% of, look at this word of, the students are girls and rest are boys. Very simple. If it is given that 60% are girls and rest are boys, rest means 40% are boys, and these 60 and 40% are with respect to the total of students. There are 30 more girls than boys. The number of girls, what is the difference between these two in terms of percentage? If I talk about the difference, which is delta, 60% and 40% of the students, both are having same base. When the base is same, we can directly take the difference. So 60 minus 40, that is 20%. Right? The difference between girls and boys is 20%. And obviously this 20% is also with respect to 20% of the students. We have to understand the base, and this 20% difference as per the question is given to us as 30. Look at this, there are 30 more girls than boys, so this is equal to 30. Now if 20% of the students is 30, 20% of the students is equal to 30. What is 10%? That is 15. And what is 100%? So that 100% of the students means total number of students will be what? That will be 30 into 5, or this is 100. I'm trying to tell you the exact method. Like 150 is the total number of students in the class. With the first two sentences, we have found total number of students in the class to be 150. So we understand that, okay, students, this is 150. This class has a strength of 150 divided like girls. So this is the total number of, so girls is 90 and therefore boys is 30% of 60. Okay. So far we have just calculated total number of students, total number of boys and total number of girls. Now let us go to the next part of the question. If 68% of the students, including 30 boys, they pass an examination. So 68% of, again we have the base as the students. So what is the meaning that? So how many of them pass the exam? So that will be 68% of 150. Cancel it with 50. To cancel this by 34. This becomes 102. Total number of students who passed the examination is 102. Right? Now, if I make a diagram like this, see how many of them pass. So pass becomes 102. And this pass will again have two portions, girls and boys. And this question is saying that including 30 boys, so this has 30 boys passing the exam. Out of 102, 30 are boys. So how many are girls? Obviously 102 minus 30, and that will be 70. Right? This is about those who are passing the exam. Now we have total number of students we have passing the examination also. Now can we find those who are failing the examination, right? Yes, we can. Definitely we can. I'm giving you detailed solution of this particular question. So if I make a diagram like this, so how many of them fail? See, 150 total minus 102, so that will give me 48. Right? 48 are failing the exam. Again, out of those, we have girls and boys. Look at this, 90 girls is the total strength, out of which 72 are passing. The difference of them will be 18. 18 girls are failing. And among the boys, 60 boys, we have 30 boys passing the exam, so 30 rest, 30 will be failing. So this is a complete distribution of passing students and failing the students. Now, what is the question asking us to find? The percentage of the girls who do not pass is the percentage of, and after of it is asking us the girls. So base will be the girls. So how many girls we have? We have total 90 girls. And how many of them do not pass? Do not pass 18. So the question is 18 is what percent of 90? This is the question. 18 is what percent of 90? So how do we calculate? 18 by 90 into 100. X is what percent of y? X by y into 100. So that gives us 18 by 90 is 5, and with 5 we can cancel it as 20. This gives us 20% as the answer. And that is why the correct answer of this question is 20. So I hope you must have understood this question. Right? So I'll give you the solution of the second question of this morning slot. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.